It's my 13 days. So I was watching the news in morning. So I have seen something about Premanand Maharaj ji. So what is going on in our India, I also don't know. So if you want to show something on social media, so please show something about SSC teachers. What is happening with them? What police is doing with them? How they treated to SSC teachers? So maybe in a time when truth is rare and silence is sold. So Sant Premanand Maharaj ji stood up and spoke what millions have been feeling for years. And he spoke about the broken system, the delayed exam, the unending, and wait for SSC results and the betrayal of Indian youths. Why a system that promised opportunity but delivered only anxiety and despair? He didn't speak for fame, for politics, or for attention. He spoke because the students, the backbone of our future, are being pushed into depression, hopelessness, and silence. But what did the media do? Instead of investigation, the truth. So they trolled him, mocked him, and tried to turn his courage into joke. Not one prime time headline asking why exam are delayed for years. Just entertainment, drama, and distractions. This country botched equality as honest voice were ridiculed. So, as if exposing injustice is more offensive than committed, and yet the student are still preparing, still hoping, still believing that someone somewhere will stand for them. So Premanand Maharaj didn't speak for himself. He be, he became he became the voice of lakhs of students who have no stage, no mic, no camera, no troll, no anchor. So no propaganda can stop it. So mock him, mute him, impresent, mispresent him, whatever. So but this youth is listening. The youth is rising. So and no matter how loud the lies become truth and always returns. Stronger, bolder, and unstoppable. This is bigger than a sant being trolled. This is about generation being ignored. So and we won't stand now. We'll kneel forever. We'll kneel forever. So what I think about it, if you can troll Premanand Maharaj, what he said, they said truth. They said truth. No one is good in this generation. Everyone is dull. So I would like to say that if you want to show something on social media, so try to show about something SSC examination. Why you cancel SSC examination? Why? If you have answer, so please give to everyone this answer. Because how the police treat to our teachers, our students, they are hitting to them, they are arrested to them. They are not able to that. They are not able to that. But you are doing like this with them. Don't try to do this because it's India. Maybe it's not new thing for me because from when I have seen like these things. It's happened sometimes somewhere fighting on language. If you will speak Hindi or English, so then you will not be stay in Maharashtra, Tamil like this. Maybe if you want to stay in Tamil or Maharashtra, you may now language Maharashtra, Tamil. So maybe as a being a human, I can understand the things of that, but I will never do like these things. So maybe this is too much for today, but what is going on in our India, this is not good for us. So maybe this is too much for today. Let's meet tomorrow in next video. Till then, bye bye guys.